Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to talk about Align tech today, and since I want to talk about it, I'm going to talk about it because it's my microphone. So here's the thing. I mentioned this morning in the forum, actually yesterday too. I like the way this stock has been trading. Really like the way it's been trading here, just kind of setting up with this rising lows and a kind of a flat, a straight upsloping line here. That's really what I'm trying to say. And then at the same time, this flat top. And so, what we're waiting for here is for a breakout, ideally above last Wednesday's high, 653.86. So we'll just say 650. When a stock's at 650 bucks, what's an extra $3? So this is where the stock was trading. You'll notice the volume on this particular day, which was last Thursday, was actually high, and it was all selling volume. Okay, stock had a really crappy day, and then the following day fell down too, but volume was lower, and also, and this is important, the intraday low was higher than this low. And what that means is that the sellers on this day, on Friday, were not as aggressive as the sellers on the prior day, meaning the buyers that were so aggressive at 610 that they pushed the stock back up 2% before the close, those buyers were not even willing to let the stock get to 610 before they started buying. And so this 3 consecutive days down, that's a recipe for a rebound. You just typically don't see a stock going down 4 days in a row here, and see, you actually did go down 4 days in a row, but it typically doesn't happen. And so here it goes down 4 days in a row, and then what happens today? Moves right back up against or through the 50-day moving average, and once again we have heavier than average volume here. So this is really kind of a classic bottoming process within a base. So this stock is still, it's still technically in a base. I will say that, but I think once the stock breaks out, if the stock pushes through 650, it could go. It could go a long way. Could go, what do I have here on a measured move? 130 points. So taking this up here, this will say 750. If the stock breaks through 650, I think could go to 750. Okay. All right, members, I got a lot to talk about in tonight's strategy session. I think you're really going to learn from it. By the way, if you're a free chart subscriber and you have not tried Stock Market Mentor, I invite you to do that. I work my butt off to help our people make more money, and that means you too. Okay. All right. See you all later.